5. All right, nice clean start there, guys. Nice clean start. It's Levy out front. Paris in the 2, John K in the 3, Shark in the 4, Anthony Paris in the 5. Woo, little contact there between Paris and Shark. Shark currently hanging on to that 4th spot. Paris all over the back door. Here comes Levy trying to put these guys a lap down. On the track, race 12. Up next, Street Stock and then Sport Mods. You guys are up next. Street Stock followed by Sport Mods. Last call, anyone who wants to get under that raffle. They're raffling off a Custom Works Gen 6. It's going to be the raffle's not going to be done today. It's going to be to support that big race down there in Bakersfield in a couple of months. So if you guys are interested in getting any raffle tickets for that car, a great opportunity to go over to the Custom Works trailer. They'll tell you all the details. 1:10 left, 2:50 to go, guys. 1:10 left, 2:50 to go. It's Levy out front, Paris in the 2. Oh, Levy having to check up just a little bit. Paris right there within striking distance. John K, Shark, and Anthony. That is 3, 4, and 5. Oh, Anthony getting a little bit of that curve. Gets the car upset. Truck upset, excuse me. Oh, Paris and Shark getting tangled up. John K going to get around and get a bunch of time making up on Paris right now. And John K does move into that 2 spot. Paris moves down to 3. And just like that, Levy got a nice lead right now. About a lap and a half lead on the entire field here.
Two minutes left.
2 down, 2 to go, drivers. 2 down, 2 to go. It's Levy, Cadianagi, Paris, Shark, and Paris. Cadianagi and Paris, that's your battle for second, red hot.
Left.
All right, Levy, Paris, and Cadianagi now. So Paris getting around John K for that 2 spot. Shark into 3. Only 2 cars on the same lap right now. Going to be Tim and John. That's your battle for second and third. They're about a half a lap apart here. 40 seconds left. Up next, Street Stock. You guys be ready. Street Stock, be ready, please. Seconds left, drivers. And everyone keep going until I call the race done. Keep going until I call the race done, drivers.
Car 5 is done.
And that's a race, guys. That is a race. Levy taking a win. Paris into 2. John K 3. Shark and Anthony 4 and 5. So Levy taking a TQ new track record and a first place finish today. Let me get the top 2. Levy and Paris. Levy and Paris to tech, please. On the track now.